Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your first $200 commission on ClickBank in just 48 hours. This is going to be a complete step-by-step video showing you how to make money online with ClickBank as a complete beginner. Now guys, if you've been doing ClickBank for a while or affiliate marketing in general, this is going to be a brand new traffic source, a brand new method to get you customers as fast as possible. I'm really excited about this video. Now guys, I've been making money online with affiliate marketing since 2019. I started my business and I now have 20 plus income streams with affiliate marketing, not just ClickBank, but 20 plus times I've been able to replicate this process. So guys, by the end of this video, you're going to learn how to make your first $200 with ClickBank, even as a complete beginner. I'm going to show you how you can start making money online with no prior experience and how you can get laser targeted traffic or customers as fast as possible. This is going to be a 3-step method that you guys can get started today. Now guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has totally changed my life. I was able to go from a 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer to now doing this full time and having 100% freedom, guys. The main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. So guys, if you want to learn more, I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Please subscribe to my channel, comment down below if you guys have any questions. Let's get started with this method. Now guys, if you don't know what ClickBank is, it's basically a marketplace where you find products, okay? Now you find products based on things that you want to promote, right? So for example, here, you're going to send people, right? This is the first step here. You're going to send people to a special link, okay? Which you send them here. Now, I'll show you how to do this later on, but you're going to get this special link, which you get here, right? So let's just say we're promoting this product. You're going to hit promote and you're going to get a special link. Now, when you send people to this special link and they buy, you get a commission, okay? This is basically affiliate marketing in general. This is how it works. I just want to go over this just in case we have somebody new on here and you don't know what ClickBank is, you don't know what affiliate marketing is, okay? So I just wanted to touch that real quick. Now guys, what is ClickBank? It's just like, again, it's just a marketplace where you can find products, basically digital products, you can go and promote them, okay? Now you do have to have a ClickBank, an account. It's 100% free. You just hit sign up here, sign up for a ClickBank account, and then you can start promoting these products. Now, quick overview of how it works. Once you guys are inside of ClickBank, you want to go to the marketplace here, guys. So if you go to the marketplace right there, you can find all the products you want to promote, okay? Now, I'm going to get into the method in just a second. I just want to kind of go over this real quick. You can see all these categories here of products you can promote, right? So for example, if we go to home and garden right here, we can promote any of these products here, okay? Now I'm gonna go over which products we wanna promote and which products I would choose if I were just starting on ClickBank, all right? So this is how ClickBank works. I just wanna kind of give you a rough overview if you're brand new to my channel or affiliate marketing in general, okay? So step number 1, guys, is we need to find a killer ClickBank offer and a killer product, okay? Something that has a high gravity score, and I'll show you what that means in just a second. Something with, you know, fairly higher ticket commissions so we can make money as fast as possible, especially with the traffic source we're using, which I'll talk about at the end. And then we want to make sure it has affiliate resources. So these are the things I look for here. So 1, 2, and 3. So the first thing is the has a high gravity score. Okay, so if I go to ClickBank, I'm just going to go in the home and garden niche. Okay, so a high gravity score is something at least over 30. Okay, so a 30 plus gravity score is what we want to find. Okay, so I'm just going to look at this one here on the home and garden niche, and you can see right here, this one has a gravity of 213, guys. So that means over 200 people have made a sale in the last 30 days with this product here. Okay, now the average commission is $64. It could be higher because they have upsells within the process. We can take a look at that later, but $64 is good. I mean, we'll go with that for now. Not super high commission, but that's good. Okay, I like that. And then last thing here is I'm looking for affiliate resources. So if I go over here, they'll typically have this affiliate page where they have the resources, okay? So this is really important because they're gonna give us resources that we're gonna use later on, okay? So if we click this here, okay, if we click this button, it's gonna take us to this resource page, or actually right here. And this is gonna give, as an affiliate, it's gonna give us things to help us sell this product, okay? Really, really important because it tells you everything about the product, how the funnel's doing. So you can see here, we could even look, the main offer is $67. And then they have different upsells in here, stuff like that. So you can potentially make, you know, $125 per sale. They give you 75% commissions, which is just insane, guys. That's amazing. So anyways, if I go down here all the way, I want to look for the actual resources here. So it says enter your best email to access the resources. So I'm going to click here. I've already signed up, take me to the resource page, and it's gonna take me to the resource, okay? Now, what I'm interested in is the email swipes, okay? What the email swipes is, and we're gonna use this later on, is they're gonna give us emails to use for our pages, okay? Which I'll show you in just a second here. But it's gonna take us here to the email swipes, which I'll show you how to use later on, okay? So we found our offer, guys. We're gonna go with this offer. We do wanna grab our affiliate link here. So if we hit promote and we generate hop link, this is gonna be our affiliate link, okay? Right here, guys, is the link we want to use. When people click on this link and they buy, we get commission, right? You can see earn 75% commission on this product here, okay? So that's step number one, is we want to find a killer product, which leads me to step number two, is we want to create a bridge page, okay? We don't want to send people directly to that link, okay? You can do that, but it's not the best way to do it, because what we want to do is collect an email address so we can follow up, okay? I'm going to show you a graphic of how this works. I'm going to show you how to do this as well, okay? So we're going to be creating this bridge page, and now with this bridge page, it allows us to now build our own brand while promoting someone else's product, okay? So it's a crazy thing because you can build your own business while you're building other people's brand and business, guys. This is the best way to do it. I've been able to generate a six-figure income by promoting other products, but at the same time, I was able to build my own brand at the same time. It's just a crazy method if you do this the correct way, okay? So this is kind of how the bridge page looks like. It's called a squeeze page funnel, but basically all we're doing, right, instead of sending people directly to the offer, all we're doing is grabbing an email here, okay? This is all we're building here. It's just a simple one-page website. All we're doing is grabbing an email here so we can follow up and send them back to the offer, okay? Now I'm gonna show you how to do this real quick. I'm gonna use a few different softwares I highly recommend, guys. The first one is ClickFunnels. This is what I use to build a six-figure business in affiliate marketing since 2019, okay? This is my main software. I love it, super easy to use, and this is the main one I recommend. I'll leave a link down below to ClickFunnels if you want to use this. I do have a page already set up, and I'm going to show you how this works, okay? So if I go to this page right here, this is ClickFunnels, guys. I just built out a quick page. It literally took me a few minutes to build out. Now, remember, this is the main page here. So if I go over here and I go to this link, okay? If I go to this link, this is the main link it's taking me to, right? Remember, we don't want to send them straight here right away. We want to create this bridge page where we collect an email first and then send them to the actual link here, okay? That's how it's going to work, and this is how this is what I would do to build a long-term sustainable business, all right? So guys, I'm just going to show you how this works real quick. This is not a ClickFunnels tutorial because that's a whole training in itself. If you do want to learn exactly how to build out a bridge page from scratch, the whole process, guys, I have a 3-day challenge showing you exactly how to build out a bridge page and an email sequence, which I'll show you in just a second, in just 3 days, okay? You could actually do this in 1 day, but I break it down in 3 days. I'm gonna leave a link down below to that challenge, guys. It's a brand new challenge I just came out with to help you guys build out a long-term sustainable business. But real quick, if you already know what ClickFunnels is, guys, this is all you have to do here. If you go to settings in general, on submit to go, you're gonna leave your affiliate link here, okay? So what we did is if I go back to the link here, this is the link when people click on it and we make money, right? So I literally just copied this link and put it on submit to go. So basically what's going on is we're getting an email, okay? This email address is gonna be our email, and then from here, it's gonna send them to the page that we want them to send, okay? So let me just test this out real quick, guys. I'm gonna go back. And let me just show you how this works. Okay, so this is the page here. Okay, let's just copy this page. This is the main page you want to send them to. This is the page of the bridge funnel. If we go here, I'm just going to test this out real quick. So essentially what we're doing here is we're grabbing an email address, and then when they click this button, it's going to send them to the page. You can see here it's sending them to the page. Now we collect an email address, so now we could follow up, and then more importantly, you know, when people go on this, they can actually go and buy the product, right? So that's the main goal of what we're doing, guys, is we're collecting an email address first, and then we're sending them to the actual product, okay? Now, as far as the follow-up, that's why I said let's get the resources page. Remember, we want to go in here and add these emails inside of our email sequence. This actually follows up, so we can send them back to the page if they don't buy the first time, okay? So you can send emails, you know, day 1, day 2, day 3, all the way as long as you want, hundreds of days. And the more times people see your emails, the more likely they are to buy. Most people are not going to buy first time, and this is why it's really important to create this email sequence, okay? So real quick, I just want to show you, of course, guys, if you want the full tutorial on how to build this out and how to build the email sequence, go check out the 3-day challenge that I just created down below, guys. Real quick, guys, if you want to do the email sequence, you want to go ahead and hit integrations and then add your email sequence in here, which of course I show you in detail in the 3-day challenge. Now I do use GetResponse to do my email marketing, guys. This is free for 30 days that you can have this and start creating your email list, stuff like that, okay? So guys, this is what you want to do to build out your bridge page, all right? Now, again, if you want the full in-depth tutorial on that, that's going to be in the 3-day challenge, which I'll link down below. Now guys, step number 3 is we want to get customers as fast as possible, right? We want to get traffic to the ClickBank offer. We want to get traffic to our offer to build our email list as fast as possible. So I'm going to show you a brand new traffic source, guys, that gets you laser targeted visitors as fast as possible. And it's extremely easy to do. Okay, I'm going to show you kind of the fast way to do this and the super fast way to do this. So the first one, guys, is we got to know the product, right? So what we're doing is we're selling a woodworking product, right? This is the product that we're selling. We want to find a traffic source that's super laser targeted. So guys, you want to go to Instagram and you want to buy shout outs, okay? So you want to look for pages like this, like woodworking DIY, okay? So you want to look for pages like this. Now you can see they have a link right here. So what we can do is we can actually contact these people and ask them if they want to do a shout out for our link, right? And then of course we would just send them our link to the bridge page here, because now we're collecting our email address and we're sending them to the actual page, okay? Now what you can do that's really cool is you can find one woodworking page, and then you can hit this drop down menu and you can follow, or you can look at all these pages here, right? So this one has 475,000 followers. You can literally contact these people and ask them how much it is for a shout out. Typically $50, $100. But again, guys, if we get one sale, we're paying for that right away, and we're getting in front of over almost 500,000 people, okay? Now, let me show you an easier way to do this so you guys don't have to message people. That may, you know, it takes time to message people going back and forth, which is okay, right? But another way you can do this is a website called shoutcart.com. I've used this website plenty of times, guys. Plenty of times. You can see here I have a remaining balance still. But what you can do here is you can go to browse and look for influencers. Basically, it's looking for influencers for you, and it's kind of the middleman. So it's a little bit more expensive because you do have to pay for the middleman price, but it's doing all the work for you. So if you go to woodworking, okay, you can look for all these woodworking followers here. Okay, so let's just say this one here has 220,000 followers. I can go to this website here, and basically we can see how much it is to get a shout out on this page. Okay, so you can see, guys, only $20 for a shout out here. Basically what this is they'll give you a 2-hour shout out for $20, and then they'll put your link inside the bio here. Okay, now an Instagram story is what I recommend, because basically they have a lot of people go to Instagram stories. So I like the Instagram stories with the link. It's a little bit more expensive, but they're going to give you guys an Instagram story link. And then you guys can go ahead and actually put your link inside of there. Okay. Now, basically what I would do as far as the creative is already like doing well on their channel, right? So you can do things like this, like kind of model what people are already doing, And basically you can go to somewhere like Fiverr, have them create a graphic for you. Let me just show you where to do that. Let me see if I can go Fiverr. Okay, so guys, go to fiverr.com. I use Fiverr all the time, as you can see here, and just create Instagram shout out. Okay, you can create Instagram shout out for anything, right? You can see anything like that, Instagram shout out, or I would put Instagram graphic. And then basically hire someone for, you know, $5-10 and have them do a really cool graphic for you, unless you want to create it yourself on the shout out itself. Okay, guys, really easy to do. And this is what I'd recommend to actually, you know, start generating traffic, start making money on ClickBank. Okay, guys, super fast targeted traffic, and you're building your email list, which is the most important part. Now, guys, I hope this video was of value to you. I do have a done with you affiliate mentoring program. I'm going to leave a link down below if you guys want to get into that. It is part of my 3-day challenge. So after the 3-day challenge, you have the potential of applying to become inside my affiliate mentoring program. So guys, I would love for you guys to check that out. I'm going to leave a link down below, as well as a link to all the resources and the products that I talked about today. So I hope this video was of value, guys. Let me know if you guys get any results. I would love to see you guys get sales with ClickBank in the first 48 hours. So let me know, guys. Comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and God bless.